Did you know there's a way to keep dehydration at bay? With just a teaspoon of Soleil. Come on, I'll show you the way. So we're going to start by using a clean jar. This is about 8 ounces. I've got some real sea salt here. And if you want to get something with minerals in it, Himalayan salt, if it's a good source, or your sea salt. I've got the jar. I'm going to put about, a fourth of a cup. Whatever jar you're using, you want it to be about a fourth of the distance of the jar. So that's how much salt we're going to put in. So about a fourth. I'm going to cover this with some good water. If you've got tap water, you probably want to let that sit in the fridge to get any chlorine out of there. Well water should be good, providing you have good things in there. We're just going to stir this up. And the only time we're going to stir this Soleil is right now. We're going to get it mixed up. I'm going to put the cover on. I'm going to let that sit overnight or for a few hours until it settles to the bottom. And it'll settle to the bottom, and your liquid here, this is one I made earlier, your liquid here will be nice and clear. And you just want to take a teaspoon and put it in your container of whatever you've got to drink. This is just water. I am going to add a little lemon, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of this in my water. If this was 8 ounces, 20 ounces, whatever, you just want about a teaspoon. I'm going to flavor it with some lemon. And you just drink that down during the day, and hopefully you're drinking more water than just that. Shake it up a little bit, and let's take a taste. Ooh, salty, and with that lemon in there, it's so flavorful. Hydrate your body.